There we go. Hello y'all, sorry for the strange beginning. I know it's not like how I usually do it, but I'm getting a little frustrated with this unit. B2B Switch, we've already done the charge port and the M92, but it will not charge even though all the pins test good. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna have to do it off cam. Oh, there we go. Alright, time for some blind micro soldering. Oh. There we go. Alright, there's the final outcome. Time to bolt up and test. I gotta be honest, so I don't think it's gonna fix it, but I'm just not in a mad rush to do that BQ chip. It's the most difficult chip, even more difficult than that little 9-ball freaking battery gauge IC. Yeah, so unfortunately I did not fix it. We're gonna have to do the BQ chip that I was trying to avoid. So be sure to drop in and check that out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the bell notifications so you don't miss any videos. New videos dropped every Sunday. Membership's now available. Thanks for tuning in.